Okay, welcome to my channel, Alpha 81 Unboxing. My name is Julio Angel. Yeah, you're gonna hear in my background my birds, because I got about 4 lovebirds and 4 diamond doves. So you're gonna be hearing them a lot during this video. But what I wanted to do today is we're gonna be unboxing Gillette Labs, the heated razor. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I've been trying to get this done. I asked my family to get it for me. They surprised me with it for Father's Day. So this is an amazing razor that I have heard. I haven't even tried it, but I've been using Gillette for a very long time. So let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, so what you guys are seeing here is the box. Of course, I like that. If you see the front there, they have the heated razor. You see that it has that flaming orange, reddish flame up there. I love that. It's a nice box. As you see, it just tells you on the side what it brings. Nice and sealed, sturdy box. I like the packaging. So let's just get into it and let's open this box. Alrighty, let's see what we have inside. Okay. Ooh, nice box. Let's see here. Come on, open up. There we go. Woo-wee! Unbelievable. Look at this. Wow. Feels good. Feels pretty good. Let me pick it up a little more for you guys to see what I'm talking about here. Hold on a second. This camera's not. There we go. Come on. Come on. Work it. Work it. Work it, camera. There we go. So this is stainless steel. It looks like it because it's pretty sturdy here. And of course, it needs to be charged. So let's continue with the unboxing. So you guys see that there. Now let's open this up. All right. So we have this nice card here. Get started. And it shows you how to use it. There we go. Put this to the side. And of course, it comes with its first cartridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has about 5 blades. I don't know if you guys see this. It has 5 blades on there. Okay. I put that there. And the base itself, it is very, very sturdy. And it's heavy. Very heavy. So let's put that here. And let's open this up. Of course, you got your charger. Put that here. And the charger. And of course, you have your instructions. There's nothing else on the box. Okay. So, as you see, this razor right here looks awesome. It actually has this one cartridge here, and then it has this cartridge. So like I said earlier, I really wanted to try this out. I've been trying to get this for the longest myself, but it's $200, and it retails for $200. And my wife got it in Best, what was it? Not Best Buy. She got it over in Bed Bath & Beyond. Like I said, I really wanted to try this. This base, I mean, it's crazy because this base is really sturdy. Let me see exactly how this, yeah, there we go. So this is exactly how it looks. Did you guys see here? Okay, and then it has its charger, the charger, and of course that extra cartridge that I was saying. It has 5 blades on there, meaning the 5 blades on that cartridge. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing another video, or maybe just adding to this one. Let you guys know how it went when I tried for the first time. As you see, I am growing my beard. So I want to make sure that before I use it, that I have enough hairs that I want to remove, because I'm not taking this beard off. So maybe I'll have my son try it out and see, and I'll let you guys know on the next video. So again, once I try it out, I'll put out the review for this Gillette Labs. I just want to let you guys know that I wanted to do this unboxing for you guys to see what's it was inside the box before I try it. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And to the next video. Thank you.